Today we're going to show you seven
Seven.
tricks to make your old mattress way more comfortable. All
me
right,
pull
let's
this
go
out.
with the number one problem that a lot of mattresses have as they get older.
Sure.
They get saggy,
Yeah, you kind of get that
dent.
the big dent in there, and that causes poor posture, back problems, poor night's sleep.
Yeah, if
The whole
you're
works.
hunched all night long in
Yeah.
that little hole, I've had mattresses like this, so I
Yes,
know.
yes, yes.
So the should we first talk about using a board?
Sure, absolutely, Bob. This is what both of us have recommended to patients that they've got the hole in their mattress, they can't afford a new one, and this is a good option.
And this is one I did
Sure.
years ago.
Well,
My first mattress.
We don't want to talk about
Shut up,
it's a family
Brad.
show, Bob. So you take a piece of plywood, typically about like this.
It
if it's
doesn't need to be that big.
right. It depends if it's for two people, but if it's just for
Right.
one person, it's going to be right about at your waistline, and that's going to offer some support in
It'll
that
push
area.
the mattress up,
Yep.
right? So find the spot, hit that spot, and it should correct it.
And we've got another option too that's
Right,
related
a
to
lot,
this.
lot easier, a lot cheaper.
Actually, you could double it up if
Yeah,
you
you could
wanted
do
to.
both.
You take a pillow.
Take a pillow, old pillow,
Yep.
find the spot.
Yep.
Now you're going to look at this and you're going to see this actually makes a bow. So
Right.
if it was bowing the other way, it's going to reverse it.
And
And
try
it's going to make it flat.
and if it didn't do enough, you could put the piece of plywood
Right.
in there and the pillow. And the size of the pillow may vary.
Right, you
you
might
know.
need a thinner one or a thicker one. Right.
Exactly.
Very simple. Voila.
Yeah.
It's
No cost.
Right. Okay, next thing. Let's say I'm going to grab the spine actually, Brad.
Yeah. Go ahead.
And
There, it's over
I'm
there,
gonna show-
Bob.
Yeah, thanks. When you're sleeping in bed here, if you have, let's do this, Brad.
Yeah.
If you have actually a larger buttock
Yes.
and you're sleeping on your back like this, what's going to happen is your back is going to sag because your butt muscles are holding your spine up in the air.
Could be more than muscle.
Yeah.
But anyway, because normally you want to have a reverse arch, and that's a healthy back. But this is going to actually reverse the arch. And
It's almost like you got a sagging mattress.
right. Exactly.
Also, Brad,
Oh, put it
you
back
can-
up.
If you're on
Oh.
the side, it can cause the spine to sag that way too.
Right, and then they get that lateral curve, which is not comfortable.
So what we recommend actually is to take. You got that, don't you?
Oh yeah, we're talking about the
yeah.
yeah.
Just take a sheet and you're gonna tie it around your waist.
So yeah, roll it up, and we got some tape on here. You can use rubber bands so it doesn't.
That's gonna
fall
fill in that
apart.
gap that we were just showing you.
Yep.
And now when you lie on your back,
So it goes above the belt line into that hollow spot. Wrap it around twice, and pin it here. And am I going to get up there, Bob?
wanna do it?
Ooh, yes, I
Are
do,
we
Bob.
ready?
Yeah, but I'm gonna be safe, Bob.
all right.
Normally we don't have mattresses this high, so I'm gonna step up here. Watch.
In his younger days, he would. There we go.
There.
But
Okay.
as you look now, that's going to fill in the gap here. That's going to be very comfortable for most people.
Yeah, you can feel that support on your lumbar spine. I can right now.
Now, if you want to roll onto your side, Brad, same thing. It's just going to make that a lot more comfortable. It's not going to sag down. It's going to give support to the back the
Sure.
entire night.
Yep.
So while you're on your side here, Brad, too, let's skip to this one.
Oh
Pillow-
yeah.
With your legs off to the side like this, you're actually going to cause the back to twist.
Oh.
Especially if you put one leg forward like this.
Especially if it goes off the edge of the bed.
Right. So it's always going to be a lot more comfortable on the hip and the back if you have a pillow between the legs.
And between the knees as well. It's,
Right,
it just,
right.
it
And the
feels
ankles
good.
if you want to go all the way down.
Sure.
So
Yeah.
I do this every night. I have a little pillow just for this.
You do.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got a custom one, right?
Yeah, kind of a custom.
Made for
yeah,
that.
Yeah, right.
You don't need that. You could just, take one from your
These
kids.
get a little
or
hot
something.
sometimes
Yeah.
in the summer.
Right. Yeah. My wife always gets mad when I wake up and I got her pillows. Whatever.
They're always
It's
mad.
all.
They're always mad for some reason. All right, next one is more for the shoulder, Brad. We're gonna go ahead and put.
Are we going to show the canal?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Usually you get to do this one.
Now you can. You actually can buy a device.
Yeah, it's
What is it
called
called?
a lumbar roll, or You know, Mackenzie sell these
Yeah,
actually.
what's the name?
Night roll, yes. And then it's nice, cushy, soft foam. And then these strings are here, not strings, but they have tails. Would
Ties.
be ties, tails, and it goes around. And this one's actually a little short for me. You go by the girth of your waist,
Right.
and make sure you order
I never
the
looked
right
to see
one.
how big they go, or.
Oh, they go. This is
they?
a short one.
Okay.
Yeah, they're quite a bit longer than this.
Gotcha. All right. So now let's say you're having a shoulder problem, but yet you like to sleep on that shoulder.
Yes, I do.
So let's say go and lie down once, babe, so we can see
Right.
what happens.
I do like to sleep on my side, although it's not good for my back.
So he's putting pressure directly on that point of the shoulder, and that's if you have a bad shoulder, it's going to be a hard night.
Yeah.
It's going to be a long night.
Plus, when you get up in the morning, you got a sore shoulder.
So a lot of people have, I don't know, do you have double pillows? Brad?
Yeah. Oh,
On your
well,
side
yeah.
Or a double
Yeah.
uppy pillow?
I don't sleep on my side long enough to worry about it,
Oh.
but that's another video.
So what you want to do is we're going to create the canal here. We take a throw pillow
Yep.
and we create a canal here. And now you're going to take pressure on your head and on your thorax or your chest.
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to hit your microphone.
Yeah.
But
that's
this takes pressure off the shoulder. I do this every night. I sleep on my side per probably half the night.
you do.
Yes.
So you got your pillow between the
between the
knees.
legs
You
and-
got one here. You
Yep.
got yeah. You
There,
got
I'm all set.
stock and
Pillow
pillows.
world. Yes. All right. Very simple solution, but it
Yeah.
works really, really quite well.
Especially if you got an injured shoulder and it's only going to be sore for a couple of weeks, and it's a good. Well, Bob does it all the time though, so I guess
Yeah, now,
anybody
if you
can.
have a really bad shoulder too, and you listen to us and you don't sleep on it,
Yeah.
go ahead,
Oh.
go back down,
Yeah.
Brad.
Okay.
So this is a sore shoulder now.
Oh
In
yeah.
this case, you'd actually take a pillow or two, and actually, I'm gonna grab this one.
Now, in this case, oh Bob, you don't need this one under your rib.
No, you
cage.
don't.
Yeah. So let's get the throw. You
Sure.
notice I threw the throw pillow.
He was just waiting to use that line. He's been
Now I'm amazed at how much difference this makes.
Makes
If this
it
is
right.
if this is a sore shoulder, if you sleep like this versus
I think it makes a big difference to have two pillows.
right, that's what I'm thinking. Give me
Right.
the second one.
Now the first one can even be out a little bit.
Yeah.
The second one can be out.
It's just incredible how much
Makes, yeah, it keeps the shoulder level. It's not adducting at all.
right.
It's not crossing over like this.
Tanner, am I making all kinds of mic noises? Yeah, I apologize. All right, so there we go.
You should apologize. All right, so that's just another idea. Okay, how about sleeping on your back, Brad? Where's our leg wedge?
Oh yeah,
Now this is the only time we're besides the back roll, you could make a purchase here. Is the leg wedge, and you're a good one to talk about this, Brad, because you use this quite often.
my back has been better in general over
Oh,
the
so you
last
haven't
half
had-
year, so not as much. But like right now, this feels incredibly. Just the difference in this wedge. I don't know what these are about $25, $30.
Right.
But you don't have to get one. You can put pillows.
They don't work as well. I
It
don't
doesn't work as well, but it helps
think.
because
It does.
like when I'm on my couch, when I go out to sleep on the couch, this doesn't fit so well on the
Why are you
couch.
sleeping on the couch?
Well, Bob, it's a personal thing.
Okay.
I don't want to get into it.
He's banned to the couch.
But one way or another, it is amazing when you lift the legs. The wedge helps more
It's
than
really
the pillows.
comfortable.
Yeah.
If you have swelling too, by the way,
Yep.
I think this is a great way to try to combat that.
Right.
Especially you can do some of your ankle pumps
Yeah.
while you're in that position.
Well, we're gonna do that. What
yeah,
do
go to the video.
yeah, on leg swelling and whatever. But
right.
that's another video.
Last one, Brad. I think, yeah, we're in the last one. We take the throw pill back, throw it to you.
Oh yeah, throw it to me, Bob.
And this is for if you tend to have kind of a
Oh yeah.
hump on your mid back or upper back. This helps correct that. There you go. See how it brings his chest up a little bit?
For breathing too, it opens up the
Yes,
chest.
exactly.
You probably will need a thicker pillow.
Yes, you do.
Or two of them.
What I
under
do
your
is
head.
actually, like at a cabin, I have a pillow and I have a towel underneath it. It's two pillows is too much,
Yeah.
but a folded towel works out just
You're
right.
pretty complicated.
Yeah,
in your
I have.
sleeping habits.
I really pay close attention to my sleeping habits.
I noticed that, Bob.
But this pillow here, I actually do this.
Yeah.
But and then when I lay on my side, I make my canal with it.
Oh,
So
sure.
it serves two purposes.
Can you do all that without waking up?
No, I kind of wake up, but
You do.
I fall back asleep within 2 seconds. I mean, I'm a fast sleeper.
I just wonder if you did it so many times you can do it in your sleep.
Oh, yeah, maybe I do. I don't
It's
know.
killing me.
All right.
Here, throw that pillow.
All right.